Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to look at possible questions that can come out in WAEC, NECO, JAMB or post-JAMB or any aptitude test. For example, how do you solve this? Thirteen base x equal to 12 base 2. How do you solve this? How do you solve this? I say you always start with the word solution. You say solution. This is an example of a number base. The 1 times 3, left hand side. 1 times x raised to power 1 plus 3 times x raised to power 0. This is already in base 10, so you leave it that way. 1 times x raised to power 1 is x. 3 times x raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. For example, 1000 raised to power 0 is 1. Y raised to power 0 is 1. A raised to power 0 is 1. So x raised to power 0 is 1. It becomes 3 plus 3 times 1, which is 3, equal to 12. Collect like terms. Collect like terms. X plus 3 equal to 12. When you collect like sign, this plus 3 will cross over this equality sign. It becomes minus because it is plus here. So your x becomes x equal to 12. This is plus. When it crosses this equality sign, it becomes minus. Because x equal to 12 minus 3. So x equal to what? 9. Is that clear? Is that clear? We look at another example. You have 13 base x plus 22 base y equal to 16 base 10. And then you have 32 base x plus 12 base y equal to what? 22 base 10. Find the value of x and y. How do you find the values of x and y? You have 13 base x plus 22 base y equal to 16 base 10. Then 32 base x plus 12 base y equal to 22 base 10. You start with the word solution. Solution. I'm going to clean this. You got the equation 13 base x plus 22 base y equal to 16 base 10. 32 base x plus 12 base y equal to 22 base 10. I'm going to clean it up. You start with the word solution. This 13 base x plus 22 base y equal to 16 base 10. This can be 1 times x raised to power 1 plus 3 times x raised to power 0 plus 2 times y raised to power 1 plus 2 times y raised to power 0 equal to 16. Then this is equation 1. Equation 1. We were given equation 2 to be 32 base x plus 12 base y equal to 22 base 10. So to break this one down, it becomes 3 times x raised to power 1 plus 2 times x raised to power 0 plus 1 times y raised to power 1 plus 2 times y raised to power 0 equal to 22. From this now, let's name this one. This is equation 2, equation 3. Then this one, equation 4. From this now, 1 times x raised to power 1 is left at 10x. Three times x raised to power 0. Remember, I said anything raised to power 0 is 1. This is left at 3. 2 times y raised to power 1 is left at 2y. 2 times y raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. This is plus 2. Equal to 16. Then from equation 4, 3 times x raised to power 1 is left at 3x. 2 times x raised to power 0 is left at 2 times 1, which is 2. Plus 1 times y raised to power 1 is left at y. 2 times y raised to power 0 is left at 2 times 1, which is 2, equal to what? 22. This is 16, equal to 22. This is equation 5 and equation 6. From this equation 5, you have x plus this 2y. X plus this 2y, collect like that. 3 plus 2 is 5. Equal to 16. From this equation 6, 3x plus this y. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. Equal to what? 22. This can be further written as x plus 2y equal to what? This plus 5, when it crosses this equality sign, becomes minus. It becomes 16 minus 5. This equation becomes 3x plus y. This plus 4, when it crosses the equality sign, becomes minus. Equal to what? 16, equal to what? 22 minus 4. So you have x plus y equal to 11 and 3x plus y equal to 18. You have x plus 2y, this 2y, we have 2y here. X plus 2y equal to 16 minus 5, which is 11. Then 3x plus y equal to 22 minus 1, which is 18. So we now have x plus 2y equal to 11. And then 3x plus y equal to 18. Which one do you eliminate now? This has become simultaneous equation. You multiply this equation by 2. Let's name this equation 8. Let's name this equation 8. And then this equation 7. You multiply this equation 8 by 2. This becomes 6x. 6x plus 2y equal to 36. You bring down your equation 7. This becomes x plus 2y equal to 11. You subtract this equation. Let's name this one equation 9. And then this one equation 10. You subtract 9, equation 9 from equation 10. 6x minus x becomes 5x. 2 plus 2y minus 2y, they cancel. 36 minus 11 is what? 25. So x now, 5x equal to 25. X now equal to 25 over 5. So x is 5. X is 5. You can substitute x is 5 into equation 7 to get y. Are you following me? Are you following me? So you say x is 5. You say x is 5. Substitute the value of x equal to 5 in this equation. So you have 5 plus 2y equal to 11. Collect like that. 2y equal to 11 minus 5. So 2y now equal to 6. To find the value of y 2y, y now equal to 6 over 2. 2 into 6 is 3. So y is 3. Therefore, y is 3. Y is 3. And x is what? 5. Thank you. We have come to the end of this class. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment on the comment section. Click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you.